Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Ourtime dating application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then tap on the search box and just type in Ourtime Dating and start your search. Once you find the Ourtime Dating app, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Ourtime application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Ourtime app. And once you open up the app, you can continue with signing into your existing account or signing up to create a new one to immediately start dating using the Ourtime application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Ourtime dating application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.